Where's That Cat by Sam Wilson, Thea Nicole DeClercq, and Chanel Faria. Where's that? Jayla sat quietly tinkering with her toy car while her scientist dad and his assistant Mr. Gold worked on a new invention. Jayla started to wonder where her cat Jerry was. She asked her father and he said he didn't know. Jayla got worried and started calling out for Jerry. Jerry, where are you? Jayla called, but it was no use. Jerry was nowhere to be found. Just as Jayla was about to get up, she saw tiny yellow footprints from some paint she had spilled. Jayla knew they were Jerry's footprints and followed them to the garage. The footprints led to one of Jayla's dad's inventions, which she knew not to touch. But Jayla thought to herself, I'll just run through it real quick and see if I find Jerry in there. Jayla shrunk herself down to the size of an ant. At first, Jayla thought, this is really great. But she soon changed her mind. Jayla ran away quickly from the centipede that was following her and narrowly escaped to the front porch. Whew, that was close, Jayla said. I better go find Dad so he can change me back. On her way to find her dad, Jayla saw something interesting next to Jerry's food bowl. It was Jerry! Jayla was so happy to see him again, but now was worried how they could get back to the garage to fix themselves. Just then, Jayla had an idea. See you later, alligator, Jayla said while her and Jerry drove away from the centipede. Just then, Jayla's dad heard a loud noise and came outside to see what had happened, and he saw Jerry and Jayla standing next to a new car. Jayla's dad was happy that everybody was all right, and from then on made sure to lock the garage so that Jerry could no longer get in there and play with his experiments. In the end, everyone was okay, and Jerry and Jayla lived happily ever after. The end.